Univair Aircraft Corporation. Univair Aircraft Corporation is an American aircraft manufacturer holding the type certificate for the Stinson 108 series and Ercoupe series aircraft, including the Forney, Alon, and the Mooney M10 Cadet. The company holds parts manufacturing approvals for Aeronca Champion, Bellanca Citabria, Bellanca Decathlon, Aeronca Scout, Cessna, Luscombe, Piper, and Taylorcraft. Univair was founded in the Denver, Colorado area in February 1946 by J. Eddie Dyer and Don Vest as Vest Aircraft Company. The company initially performed flight instruction, parts, and repair. In 1963, Vest was closed following the death of its founder and was reestablished by his wife in 1966 as Univair. Univair has specialized in manufacturing FAA-approved new parts for vintage aircraft such as the Piper Cub. Aircraft.